May we now invite Mr. C.M. Chan, President of the Law Society of Hong Kong, to give us a welcoming speech. President, please.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to welcome all of you today at the Justice Place to the 2022 Annual Conference of the In-House Lawyers of the Law Society of Hong Kong. May I first express my sincerest gratitude to the Department of Justice for being a supporting organization of our conference and providing this prestigious venue for the conference to be held physically this year. In fact, for those of you who are familiar with the governance structure, this building used to be, before the handover, the Executive Council with the Governor. They held the Executive Council meeting in this very building. So it's a very prestigious venue. For the very first time, our annual conference is held in a hybrid mode with almost 1,000 registrants joining us here in-house or online, including our members and our counterparts from the Greater China region. This record high registration number and the fact that our around 5,000 members who are not in private practice are now representing over close to one-third of the Law Society's membership, which is now close to 13,000, shows that in-house lawyers are an important and substantive force in the community. So almost one-third of our members are now working in-house. I was the first chairman of the In-House Lawyers Committee, which was formed in 2011 to serve this increasingly important community. There is no doubt that as the population of the in-house legal sector increases, the role of an in-house lawyer has evolved over the years. Rather than only managing the legal risks associated with the business that they work within, an in-house lawyer may also be required to partner with the business, understand its issues, and produce viable and tangible solutions to support all the business functions. The involvement of in-house legal teams in different aspects of business operations has become more active and crucial to the business. In challenging times like the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, in-house lawyers often find themselves at the center of the company's operation, connecting different teams of the company, addressing high-stakes questions from time to time, in addition to regular legal matters. In-house counsels are often required to step out of their legal mindset and contribute to a broad range of other board matters. In fact, we have a session this afternoon to talk about whether in-house counsel should be given a board seat. To cope with the extended roles of an in-house lawyer, establishing close working relationships with external lawyers is also crucial for in-house legal teams. These challenges and opportunities will all be explored in depth by our speakers in our conference today. Since last year, we have invited our counterparts in the Greater China region to join our conference, where simultaneous interpretation has been arranged to accommodate participants from a different jurisdiction. This year, we have further invited speakers from the mainland to join one of our panel discussions to share their experience in cross-border collaboration. The session will be conducted in Mandarin and simultaneously translated into English. I hope that our conference can continue to expand to allow more opportunities for legal professionals from different backgrounds to exchange ideas and connect with each other. This year marks the 25th anniversary of the establishment of the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, as well as the 115th anniversary of the Law Society of Hong Kong. We were established in 1907. So it's our 115th anniversary. In celebration of this historical moment, the Law Society has organized and we'll organize a number of activities, including today's conference, and I'm grateful for the generous support received from the Department of Justice. To kick off the afternoon session of today's conference, the Secretary for Justice, Mr. Paul Lam, will grace us with his keynote speech after the lunch break, so do return. And I very much look forward to benefit from his insights. On this note, I would also like to thank all esteemed panelists and participants who join us today, all our sponsors for your support, and the In-House Lawyers Committee for putting together this program and connecting all of us here. May I finally wish you a fruitful conference. Thank you.